The following day.
Guys, this was built in 1830. The standing chimney. That's so cool. Let me zoom in. I'm gonna touch it. Should I go touch it? Go touch the butt. I'm gonna go touch it. Huh?
Touching what butt?
It's so gloomy. I wanna touch it. I'm gonna touch it. What if I get in trouble? Look. Where? What? There's a camera. Oh, fuck. Imagine they're like, ma'am, get up, get away from the chimney. This was inside someone's house in 1830. Maiden, it still has the black stuff in there. Yeah, come. Whoa. It's so much bigger in person. This is so cool. Like, I just wanna... Ah! Really? This is so nice. I love, like, the view. Maylin, come look at the view. Come, child. It looks so much better in person, but yeah. Yeah, this is kind of scary. Maylin, it looks like we're in the movie of the It. Yeah. Well, thank God I got my good shoes on today. Yeah. I put the waterproof thingy on them. The little spray that I bought from the guy. Huh? Because it's kind of wet. Oh, over here. You know? I like how your camera looks. I almost twist my ankle. Me and my Starbies. Did you hear that? Run! The trail. Like, what if someone like what if you're running and like you just like me, like right now I'm holding the fucking I'm holding the camera and I'm right here like, oh shit, and I almost fall. And you break your face on and I break my face. It's so nice, huh? Yes, sir. Yazerski. Look, it looks like someone was just bored, so they just built that shit. Like, I don't know. Like, they was tired, so they was over here trying to build a little bench. And they built 3. Look, this too, like, this is a random ass bench. Like, what if you sit down and this shit goes up your ass? Oh, it's cool. Yeah. This is so nice. Like, it's not sunny, so when I'm sweating, I'm so. It feels good. It's chilly and it's gloomy and it's cold as shit. It's not. I mean, it's not cold. It's like it's fresh, but it's like windy type shit. You hear all the birds and everything. Type shit. You know what I'm saying? Know what I mean? That shirt is tight, son. Yeah, I mean. We gotta watch that movie when we go home. Oh shit, I'm gonna strip. You know, these little pieces of wood sticking out, branches and shit. But this 60. I look good, huh? Yeah. Baby, look good. Light skin activities. Who drinks a coffee while they're hiking? What the hell? Look at another freaking tree in the way. You ain't gotta do me like that. You ain't gotta do me like that. Hey, once you drink coffee, it's over with. You gonna want coffee every day. This is our last video ever. We converted right now. That's why I keep looking at it. Just say your last goodbyes. Elena, I love you so much. What's something that Elena, take my money. Something that you did while I was gone? Like something you want to confess to me? Like we're putting this out there right now because It might be our last. I almost fell.
You know what? Okay, calm down, calm down. You don't gotta fall down.
I'm not falling. We're all these fucking branches.
You know what? It's nothing. We're literally best friends, and we keep no secrets from each other. Side eye, side eye.
Side eye.
What do you want to confess?
I ain't gotta confess nothing.
I don't have anything to confess.
I don't know. I don't think I gotta confess anything. Like
To me?
Yeah.
I know me neither. It was good. It was good. It was a good trail.
A good short trail.
Now we're about to get facials because it's really needed. Huh?
Facial because a bit breaking out.
Yeah, I'm not. I just have wrinkles.
I'm breaking out.
I need to get Botox. I'm gonna get Botox. I'm gonna go look. Where do they have Botox over here? Look at Whataburger. 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 It's not open yet?
No.
Jesus Christ.
No, ma'am.
Bro, this plaza's so nice. Like it's,
What's that right there?
What? Where?
Is that Bubba's?
Bubba's. There's pizza, burgers, and pies.
I've never heard of that.
Wait, is it? It's pizza, burgers, and I don't know what the last word is. I can't say.
They got
Getting there,
wings.
People at the bar.
They have a nail bar next door too.
Does that say beer? It says beer, don't it? Pizza, burgers, and beers. We're gonna go. Oh, look at Chipotle's right here. You wanna get up?
Oh yeah, I'm taking it.
Okay, so we'll get a facial and then we go to Chipotle, or you want to eat first and then get facials? Y'all already know the vibes.
We already know our spot. That's our spot. So if you ever see us,
if you're in Beaufort, Georgia, this is a spot to go to. We're loyal customers now.
loyal customers.
This will be my third time coming here, but today we're just gonna get facials.
Yes.
What are you gonna get?
What are you gonna give in Chipotle?
I'm gonna get a bowl.
You're one of those.
I'm one of those.
The chicken bowls are better.
I like steak. I'm a steak person. I'm a steak, shrimp, and lobster tail person. You know what I'm saying? This girl's waiting for Chipotle to open. Do you really want to eat here? No. Is that why you're waiting outside on the floor?
I don't mind eating.
Let's go over there. Yeah. Top Golf.
I just go in.
Bro, it's about to be 11 o'clock and they open 10:45 and it's closed. Wait, where are we going? You want to get facials first? Let's get facial first. Yeah, let's just go. Fuck it. Alrighty. This is a nail bar? What the fuck? Do they give you like wine, champagne and shit? I'm just kidding. What the hell? It's so fancy. Alright, well, we're about to walk in to get facials. No. I'm good. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your hands and damn you're free. We're waiting for the facials. I may or may not get Botox after here because, you know, I'm so insecure about this right here. Look, you can see the line. You can see the line going up, bro. See, hell no. I'm literally happy all the time. I'm so fun and nice. I'm the nicest. And we're ready. I'm waiting for her to come in. But I think the facial's like 50 minutes long. So yeah, it's kind of cute in here. It smells good in here. My head is hurting a little bit. I'm a little hungover. But I'll see you guys when I'm done.
2 hours later.
I'm getting my daughter some Crocs in this outfit. It's so cute. And then these. Slip-on. Those are cute. I like this. I like those Adidas ones, the black ones right there. But she already has black shoes.
3 days later.
Did you like your food, Maylin?
I love it.
You loved it? We should have recorded before, but we didn't. We forgot, right, Maylin?
Yes, ma'am.
We're here. You like my shirt? Vampire Diaries? Yeah. We just got here to Ideal Image. I'm gonna get Botox. I need some right here. She said I don't need any.
She tripping.
I have a wrinkle right here. I can tell.
I can tell.
I can tell. Alright, let's go. I'll see you guys when we go in. Oh shit. Open to 8. Look at how cool sculpting. That's cool. Yeah. I'm about to get Botox, but we can't record, so. I got Botox like right here in this area. I can't touch it right now, but it looks very like firm, like smooth. I love it. But I'm not gonna see like the results after like 4 to 8 days. I can't lay down right now until like another 2 hours. Oh, I freaking hurt myself at work today. Like a habit. It's a bad habit of me just like making like the little wrinkle when you like make a mad face. But right now it's like I haven't felt the urge to do that. It's crazy. Like I don't know, it's weird. Like I can't move my face right here. I love it. I don't know, I love the feeling of it. She said I'm gonna fall in love with it and I'm gonna come back. Yeah. She said I have to get Botox every 4 months, something like that. So this was the first session. I love it. I can tell like a little difference. I was like very insecure about this area right here. I'm waiting on my damn Amazon packages to arrive. They've been out for delivery for 2 hours now. Like, hello, I need my stuff. So this is officially my room tour. I finally finished after a year. When you walk in, this is my coat rack. That's my daughter's boot bag with her name on it. I got it off Amazon. It was customized. And that's my TV. And that's my desk. I use it like as my little office area. That's my daughter's closet. And this big mirror right here, my sister gave it to me. So I don't know where it's from. I just got these curtains and everything. The entryway table I got off Amazon. And I'm not done decorating that. That's all I have right now. I don't know what to put on top of there. But yeah, I had this bed for 2 years now. And this little bench, it doesn't quite match, but it looks more beige in person. So that's that. That's my daughter's bed. She had a white cute one, but she broke it, so I had to get a cocomelon one. And that's my tall dresser. That's my Alexa, and I have a candle burning always. And this little LED light thingy I got off Amazon. It was so cute. I just had to get it. And that's all I put, just Jessica and Elena's room. This is my restroom. I got those at Walmart. They're so cute. And that vase with the flower. I got it at TJ Maxx. That's from Amazon. It's like it says bathroom rules. It went well with my restroom. And this is just an area where I have all my stuff like stocked up. Like I like to keep everything stocked up. And my toilet, just something simple. I keep my pads and tampons there for like friends or anyone who needs it. And that's just my toilet, and that's my walk-in closet. And right here, I usually keep a big plant right there, but I have my daughter's Easter basket. This is my shower and my bath bombs right there in the corner. I like to take baths with my daughters. But yeah, that's my official room tour. And this is how it looks so far after a year, finally. So yeah, guys, that was my week. I added some more things to my room. I got Botox. Was just chilling with my sister the whole weekend. And we went hiking. But yeah, so if you like this video, like it and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next one.